Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today I am going to discuss about the desecration of the Holy Quran in Sweden. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, I am also going to tell you about the person who did this shameful act. My dear fellows, Islam is a very beautiful and peaceful religion. It does not allow us to disrespect any religious book or religious personality. It does not allow us to burn any religious book, to insult any religious personality. We respect all the religions. We respect all the holy books. We respect all the prophets. We will never ever disrespect any of the holy books. And this is the true meaning of Islam. We respect the Bible. We respect the Torah. We also respect all the holy books of the Hindus. We also respect all the holy persons of Buddhism. We also respect all the holy personalities and books and places of Jews. We, the Muslims, are never involved in desecration of any religious book or place or person. Now I tell you about the person who set the Holy Quran alight in Sweden. Who is this Salwan Momika? Why would he commit such an act? Momika was born in Iraq in 1986. His full name is Salwan Momika. He relocated to Sweden in 2015. He self-identifies as a thinker and as an atheist, a label that raises questions in light of this incident. Momika is a member of Sweden Democrats Party and has a history of extreme behavior. His past affiliations include the militant groups in Iraq and also in Syria. His group is involved in the killing of hundreds and thousands of innocent people in Iraq and Syria. Upon his arrival in Sweden, Momika briefly converted to Christianity, but afterward he declared himself an atheist. He wants popularity. He wants financial backup. So before burning the Holy Quran, he appealed to all his followers to support him financially. Such people are just like miserable stray dogs and puppies, which are wandering from here to there in search of food, in search of shelter, in search of popularity, in search of financial backups. Prior to his act of burning the Holy Quran, he declared in a video message that he intended to burn the Quran outside Stockholm's Grand Mosque on the first day of Eid, also promising a further surprise. He stated that he had received similar requests from others and encouraged his followers to join him at the location. He even appealed for financial backup before burning the Holy Quran. On Eid, Momika and a companion took a stand outside the mosque, with his accomplice translating his sentiments into the local language over a microphone. As he spoke, he began to tear pages from the Holy Quran, rub them against his shoes, and insert pork meat within its pages, thereby intensifying the offense to Muslims, hurting the thousands and millions and billions of the Muslims. He continued to destroy the Quran with his footwear. Throughout this act, his translator jumped upon the copies of the Holy Quran. Ultimately, the Quran was set ablaze. During this hateful event, the police maintained a security perimeter around Momika's location. He claimed that this treatment of the Holy Quran represented his personal perspective on the Holy Book. He went on to argue that the Holy Quran should be banned as its teachings contradict Swedish values, freedom, legal system, and the human rights. As reported by Arab News, Momika was arrested in Sweden for lighting a fire, an act temporarily prohibited due to a recent heat wave. What a shameful role of Swedish government in this act. They allowed him to burn the Holy Quran before all the people, before the media. They didn't stop him to do this act. They allowed him to do this act. And now I'm going to discuss about the responsibilities of the Muslims throughout the world. The first responsibility of the Muslim is to understand the Holy Quran. The second responsibility of the Muslims throughout the world is to be united on this issue. Only resolutions and condemning the Swedish government is not enough. There should be a sound stand against the battle. Thank you for watching.